Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix microphone issues on OBS Studios by Streamlabs. So first, make sure that your audio microphone is set up. So right here you've got microphone and privacy settings. To get to this, you'll go down to settings. Settings. And then go to sound, and then go down to your microphone. I'm using the 5-fine microphone. As you can see, the volume is going up while I'm talking. So make sure that your microphone is showing up, and make sure that right here where it says audio, allow apps and windows to use this device for audio, is allowed. If I click on don't allow, my microphone will stop working. So once that is done, you're also going to want to make sure to check on your privacy and security settings for your microphone. So go ahead and go to privacy and security and go down to microphone. In here, down at the bottom, let desktop apps access your microphone. Make sure that's on, because if it's not, OBS will not have permission to use your microphone. So now that you have it all set up, if it's still having issues or it's still not working, what you need to do is go to Device Manager. So I just right-click the Start menu and then go to Device Manager and check on your device and make sure that it's showing up here. So right here I've got microphone, and make sure when you have microphone is to right-click and update your drivers. Make sure your drivers are all up to date, or else you might be having issues because of that. Now if all of that does not work, make sure that you have audio input capture in OBS itself. And to get this, you just press on the plus button and then go audio input capture, and all you have to do is make sure once you have that done is double click on it and then choose the device. Mine set as default, and it would be microphone 5-fine microphone. So I hope this video helps you. That should cover any issues with the microphone that you may be experiencing in OBS. So I hope this video fixed your problem. Have a good day. Bye.